What is desire? Yeah, you feel that that food will be the cause for pleasure for me. Do you see that? Every little desire has the idea of cause behind it. Every idea of cause has the idea of doership or experiencership behind it. Yeah. When you come down one level deeper and one level deeper and break down everything, and you realize, oh, there is no cause, there is no effect. Experiencing is an effect, doing is a cause. I am simply the source. So, what allowing and what resisting? Anyway, that those were just words. Nothing was happening. Nothing was happening. Yeah. That is peace. That is the true meaning of Ananda. That is the true meaning of happiness. Do you get it? The real happiness is this. You actually come to the recognition that there is no question of me having to allow it or to resist it. There wasn't anything happening by me allowing, and there wasn't anything not happening just by my resistance. That was another story that clouded my vision of the truth. Yeah, now you stop clouding your own vision. You drop these ideas because they just keep making everything blurry. They don't let me see the now. And this becomes more and more and more clear. Then there is no doing, no happening, no experiencing, tasting, desiring. All this is what? When you drop both this story and that story, cause, effect, doership, experiencership. Yeah? Pleasantness, unpleasantness. All ideas just crumble, disintegrate, dissolve, get sucked into the now. You're left with absolutely nothingness of the now. And it's so beautiful then. Then there's nothing clouding my vision. That makes it Ananda. Do you see this? That makes everything so easy, light. I'm not burdened anymore. I don't have to do something or I don't have to stop something from happening. This whole struggle, this drops away. And the dropping away of that unnecessary struggle is Ananda.